Poco is an independent brand now, which means we can expect to see phones in various price segments this year. This means, unlike 2018 where we got only one phone, that is the Poco F1, which was a mid-range phone, we may get phones in the budget segment as well this year. In fact, there are already rumors that at least 3 phones are launching this year from Poco brand. As far as the Poco F2 is concerned, in an interview with Gadgets 360, the general manager of Poco India said that the company will surely launch a successor to the Poco F1 this year with the top-end SoC and lots of RAM. But he did not confirm if the name would be Poco F2 or something else. Moreover, he said that this phone would launch in the first quarter of this year, so the launch is happening soon. Talking about the rumors of Poco entering the budget segment this year, he said that the company is evaluating that and soon it will share information on it. Well, it looks like Poco has already given us a hint at one of its phones launching this year. I'm talking about the Poco X2, which has leaked a few times in the past, but for the very first time the company itself has given us a hint at this phone. If you follow Poco on social media, then you know that recently the company posted a teaser video about the season 2 of Poco. Looking closely at the video, in one frame you can notice the letters in the word Poco X2 scattered around. To make it easy, here is an image that shows arrows pointing at each word, so you can follow the arrows to confirm the same. While most of you may think that it is going to be a flagship, there are some sources claiming that it is actually a budget phone. In fact, as per some reports, the Poco X2 is going to be a rebranded Redmi K30 4G in the Indian market. Last year, a third-party reseller listed the Redmi K30 4G with a global MIUI ROM installed on it, even though the Redmi K30 4G does not have a global ROM yet. One of the screenshots of that listing revealed the name Poco X2 in the About Phone section, but it was hard to say if the images were legit or not. Now, a junior member of XDA, who is a trusted source for information related to Xiaomi devices, revealed that one of his friends have got the Redmi K30 4G with a global ROM pre-installed. Again, the About Phone section shows Poco X2 as the device model. Well, since the device name is Redmi in the images, this again raises a lot of questions. Another report revealed the Bureau of Indian Standards or BIS listing of an upcoming Poco device with this model number. This model number is similar to the model number for the Redmi K30 4G. The only difference is the letter at the end of the model numbers. The E and C in the model number of Redmi K30 4G show the target market, that is C for China and E for Europe. So it is safe to assume that I in the model number of this Poco device points towards the Indian market. So based on all these leaks and reports, it is safe to assume that the Poco X2 is launching this year and it is going to be a rebranded Redmi K30 4G. Again, these are just assumptions based on the leaks and reports, and we still have no official word on it. Still, if that happens, then the Poco X2 will launch with Snapdragon 730G SoC, an LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate, a 4500 mAh battery with 27W fast charging support, and quad cameras with 64MP primary camera having IMX686 sensor from Sony. So what do you think of the Poco X2 being a rebranded Redmi K30 4G? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.